Get into the 2023 Nissan ARIYA. Answer the call to drive boldly into the future. Modern styling, advanced safety and infotainment tech, and a suite of creature comforts are on board to make every drive secure, confident, and relaxing. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.